Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Hello and welcome to the 191st episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. 92 brothers participate in South Asia Congress. 22 Salesians ordained priests in Tamil Nadu. Province helps youth gift food bags to migrants. 4 annual retreats mark 3 anniversaries, 7 provincials. Novices celebrate Christmas with children. The news in detail. India 92 brothers participate in South Asia Congress. Ms. Veronica Baroy reports from Kolkata.
The 9th Salesian Brothers Congress was held at Don Bosco Nithika from 30th December 2023 to 3rd January 2024. 92 brothers from 11 provinces of South Asia participated in the 4-day event. There were several presentations and interactive sessions on the theme Salesian Brother in the 21st Century, Identity, Fidelity, Leadership. A number of practical lines of action were drawn up for implementation on 3 Congress objectives, namely formation and training, educational and pastoral care, and vocational discernment. 3 books were released during this event. The Dream That Makes You Dream by Father Biju Michael, a comic book on Saint Zeti, and a photo directory of all the Salesian brothers of South Asia. At the end of the Congress, 11 new province delegates and a national delegate in the person of Brother James Marcus from Panjim Province, Goa, were elected. The last Congress in Kolkata Province was held at Bandel in 1981.
Ms. Veronica Baroy reporting. Child-friendly schools put children at the center of learning and engage them in play learning. Experts say children learn through example. Studies show that children pick up values of love, kindness, helpfulness, compassion, and acceptance of each other, not by hearing, but by seeing. Church Art Kolkata's Children series offer life-size statues and attractive murals of children in various learning, sharing, helping, and playful situations. These will inspire in children values of love, cooperation, kindness, and gentleness. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil at churchart.ganguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp or Telegram at country code 919831020945. India 22 Salesians ordained priests in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Murbin Joy reports from Chennai.
While 15 Salesians were ordained priests at Our Lady of Lourdes Shrine, Chennai on 27 December, another 7 Salesian deacons were ordained priests on 29th December at Madurai, bringing a total of 22 newly ordained Salesian priests in Tamil Nadu Theologate. Among the newly ordained, 21 are Salesians and 1 is a missionary belonging to the Salesian province of Prague. New priests completed their theological studies at Beki Don Bosco, 3rd Salesian Theological College in India, started in 2012. Other 2 theologians in India are Sacred Heart Theological College, Shillong, started in 1928, and Christa Jyoti College, Bangalore, established in 1967. While 36 deacons were ordained priests from Shillong Theologate, 24 deacons were ordained priests from Bangalore.
Mr. Murbin Joy reporting. Thailand Province helps youth gift food bags to migrants. Mr. Marichai Sumbun Jarwensri reports from Bangkok.
In a gesture of solidarity, on 29 December 2023, the Salesian Provincial Development Office provided food bags to 120 families of poor Burmese, Laotians, and Cambodian laborers, and people with disabilities under the project Share Love on Christmas. The food packages were prepared by the church youth group. These migrants, mostly Muslim and Buddhist, live around the area of Mary Health of Christian Church. Although these chair goods cannot completely alleviate the needs of these poor people, yet these are valuable and meaningful to the children of Don Bosco, who are also on the side of the poor in Thai society.
Mr. Marichai Sumbun Jarwensri reporting. China 4 annual retreats mark 3 anniversaries, 7 provincials. Father Carlos Cheong reports from Hong Kong.
On the 1st January 2024, China Province concluded its 4th anniversary retreat held in 2023 with its theme, Deepening of the Knowledge of Life, Work, and Spirit of Salesian Proto-Martyrs of the province, St. Luigi Vasilia and St. Callisto Gadavario. The 4 retreat courses were held in Taiwan, Changzhou, Casablanca, and Shaoqi Wen, Hong Kong. The 3 anniversaries were 150th anniversary of St. Luigi Vasilia's birth, the 120th anniversary of St. Callisto Gadavario's birth, and 40th anniversary of their beatification. The 7 provincials attending these retreats included 5 provincials who joined last retreat: the incumbent provincial Father Joseph Ng Ji Yun and his predecessors Father Lanfranco Federicotti, Father Simon Lam Chung Wai, Father Norbert Jeshu Chong, and His Eminence Cardinal Joseph Sen. The 6th provincial is Father John Baptist Zen Xin Yik, who died on the 2nd of September 2023, and the 7th is provincial-elect Father Domingos Leung Ting Kwok, one of the animators of the retreats, who made PowerPoint and retreat booklet used in the program. 2 vice provinces of East Asia Oceania region are named after the 2 proto-martyrs, St. Callisto Gadavario in East Timor and the St. Luigi Vasilia in Indonesia.
Father Carlos Cheong reporting. Myanmar novices celebrate Christmas with children. Father Andrea Mong Mong reports from Anisakan.
During the Christmas season, Salesian clerics and novices organized games festivals for neighboring children at 3 different places. The most remarkable celebration was held at Mary Help Christian Shrine at Nazareth Anisakan, where some 200 Oratorians and neighboring children joined the occasion. The variety games started after the opening prayer and short Christmas message by the provincial Father Bosco Nyinyi. At the end of the day, refreshments were served to all participants. Prizes and gifts were also rewarded to all the winners of the games.
Father Andrea Mong Mong reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.